You've worked hard for years, made all the right moves, and climbed the ladder of success, only to find yourself on a free fall back to where you started. What if the wealth you've built disappears overnight? It's not about how much you make but how well you protect it. The road to financial ruin is faster than you think, and today, I'm going to walk you through 8 habits, decisions, and patterns that are guaranteed to leave you broke if you're not careful. Financial success is not just about creating wealth, it's about maintaining it. You see, the choices we make every day, often without realizing, lay the foundation for our future. Small cracks in the foundation of wealth management can lead to catastrophic collapse if left unattended. Understanding these financial pitfalls isn't just crucial, it's a matter of survival. And while we'll cover 7 of the most common and damaging ways people lose their fortune, the final point, one often overlooked, could be the most important financial lesson of your life. So stick with me until the end, because I promise, that last point could be the one thing that saves you from losing it all. Welcome to Financial Thoughts, the channel for the dreamers, the planners, and the soon-to-be billionaires. Here, we don't just talk about money, we talk about the mindset that builds empires. So if you're ready to secure your financial future, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Let's build wealth, and more importantly, let's learn how to keep it. 1. Traveling too often. Traveling is an enriching experience. The exposure to new cultures, the thrill of exploring foreign lands, and the memories you create are priceless. However, when traveling becomes a frequent habit without any clear financial strategy, it quickly becomes a costly affair. Plane tickets, hotel stays, restaurant meals, and spontaneous expenses can add up faster than you might realize. It's not just about the joy of the moment, but the long-term impact on your financial health. If you find yourself constantly on the move without a budget, those adventures could quietly eat away at your wealth. The key lies in finding balance. Travel can be rejuvenating for your soul and even necessary for mental clarity, but it shouldn't come at the expense of your financial security. Prioritize experiences that align with your financial goals. Consider traveling during off-peak times, staying at more affordable accommodations, and focusing on quality over quantity. The world will still be there for you to explore, make sure your bank account is too. 2. Luxuries and liabilities. There's no denying the allure of luxury. The feeling of driving a shiny new car, wearing designer clothes, or owning the latest tech gadgets can be intoxicating. But what many fail to recognize is that these items, more often than not, are liabilities rather than assets. They depreciate in value, require ongoing maintenance, and in the long run, drain your finances without offering any return. It's a costly cycle, one that pulls you further away from true wealth. Instead of focusing on instant gratification, shift your mindset toward long-term value. Think of luxury as something you reward yourself with after securing your financial foundation. Real wealth is built by acquiring assets, things that grow in value, generate income, or enhance your financial standing. Invest in things that work for you, not just things that sparkle today and fade tomorrow. 3. Following the latest trends. In a world driven by social media and constant exposure to new trends, it's easy to fall into the trap of keeping up with the latest fashions, gadgets, and lifestyle choices. While these things may give you a temporary boost of satisfaction, the financial cost of chasing trends can be staggering. Each new release, be it a phone, wardrobe refresh, or interior decor change, takes money out of your pocket that could be better used elsewhere. Instead of chasing fleeting trends, focus on timeless investments. Whether it's classic clothing, durable technology, or even adopting a minimalist lifestyle, choose things that hold value over time. This mindset not only protects your finances but also cultivates a sense of contentment with what you already have. Trends come and go, but your financial stability should remain constant. 4. Fast food and eating out. Fast food and dining out may offer convenience in our fast-paced lives, but convenience always comes at a price. A few dollars here, a couple of meals there, it seems harmless in the moment, but when tallied up over a month or year, the cost can be staggering. The habit of eating out regularly can erode your financial discipline and leave little room for savings or investments. You're paying for ease, but sacrificing much more in the long term. Moreover, preparing meals at home is not only healthier but also a symbol of intentional living. Taking control of what you consume, and how much you spend on it, empowers you to manage your finances better. What you save by cutting back on restaurants or fast food can be redirected into savings, investments, or even a more meaningful experience down the line. The simple act of cooking for yourself is a small but profound investment in your financial future. 5. Not working or hustling in today's evolving economy, relying on just one source of income is a risky strategy. Jobs, industries, and markets change rapidly, and having a single paycheck can leave you vulnerable to unforeseen circumstances. Not actively seeking new opportunities or diversifying your income streams can stifle your growth and keep you in a precarious financial position. To truly thrive financially, always be hustling for more. Whether it's starting a side business, freelancing, investing, or even developing skills that can lead to higher paying jobs, always have multiple streams of income. This diversification not only offers security but also accelerates your path to wealth. The more you spread your efforts, the more resilient you become. Don't just work towards something greater. 6. Spending sprees can feel exhilarating in the moment. There's something liberating about buying what you want, when you want it. But these bursts of spending, especially when unplanned, can wreak havoc on your financial well-being. An expensive shopping weekend might seem like a one-time indulgence, but these habits can quickly turn into a cycle that leaves your bank account depleted and your future uncertain. Mindful spending is the antidote. Before making any purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your long-term financial goals. Do you need it, or is it simply a fleeting desire? Each dollar spent is a dollar that could have been invested or saved for something more meaningful. Take control of your finances by prioritizing intentional purchases that contribute to your growth, rather than short-lived indulgences. 7. Not investing or saving. One of the greatest financial mistakes people make is not planning for the future. If your money is sitting idle in a bank account or, worse, being spent as fast as it's earned, you're missing out on the power of compounding wealth. Investing, even in small amounts, can lead to significant financial growth over time. Meanwhile, saving ensures that you're prepared for emergencies and future opportunities. Starting is the hardest part, but it's never too late. Whether it's through stocks, real estate, or even a simple savings account, make your money work for you. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Saving and investing aren't just about securing your future, they're about building the life you envision. Don't let procrastination rob you of that. 8. Abusing credit cards can be an incredibly powerful financial tool, offering rewards, flexibility, and convenience. However, for many, they become a gateway to financial disaster. It's all too easy to swipe a card without fully considering the long-term implications of high-interest debt. Before you know it, you're drowning in payments that grow larger with time, trapping you in a cycle of debt. The key to using credit responsibly is discipline. If you can't pay off your balance in full each month, it's time to reconsider your spending habits. Credit should be a tool that enhances your financial life, not one that hinders it. Establish clear limits, track your spending, and remember that true financial freedom comes from living within your means, not beyond them. In conclusion, the road to financial security and abundance requires mindful choices and deliberate actions. Each of the habits we've discussed, whether it's overspending on travel, indulging in luxuries, or neglecting to invest, represents a subtle but significant drain on your financial potential. The good news is, by recognizing these pitfalls, you've already taken the first step toward safeguarding your wealth. Remember, it's not about denying yourself life's pleasures, but about finding balance and prioritizing long-term growth over fleeting satisfaction. Take these lessons to heart and start applying them in your daily life, because every small step adds up to big changes. If you're ready to dive deeper into building and maintaining wealth, make sure to explore more content here on Financial Thoughts. There's always more to learn about financial freedom, investing, and the mindset it takes to create lasting success. Subscribe for more insights, and don't forget to like the video if you found this valuable. Because in the end, when you transform your thoughts, you truly transform your life.